disperse. Definition: to spread across or move away over a large area. Example: the chemical reaction made the liquids to disperse into fine droplets. Displace. Definition: to pose something out of its usual or original position. Example: natural disasters have often displaced thousands of people in the affected areas. Display. Definition: to arrange something or a collection of things so that it can be seen by the public. Example: artists used to display their emotions through their work. Displease. Definition: to cause someone to be annoyed or unhappy. Example: the poorly planned schedule may be displease many attendees. Dispose. Definition: to influence someone in a particular way. Example: please dispose your waste properly in the designated bins. Dispossess. Definition: to take property, especially building or land, away from someone or a group of people. Example: the revolution had been disposes the wealthy. Disregard. Definition: to ignore something. Example: it unwise for you to discuss worrying about severe weather. Distort. Definition: to change the traditional way that an industry operates. Example: unplanned power outage may be disrupt the production process. Dissect. Definition: to explain or consider something in detail. Example: students have been encouraged to dissect complex problems to understand them better. Disseminate. Definition: to spread or give out something to a lot of people. Example: teachers have been working hard to disseminate knowledge to their students. Dissent. Definition: to disagree with other people about something. Example: they have chosen to dissent from the majority opinion on the board. Dissipate. Definition: to cause something to disappear gradually. Example: his anger seems to dissipate after he took a deep breath. Dissociate. Definition: to consider as separate and not related. Example: it's important you to disassociate fact from the fiction. Dissolve. Definition: to be absorbed or to cause a solid to be absorbed by liquid. Example: the tablet will quickly dissolve in water to form a solution. Dissuade. Definition: to persuade someone not to do something. Example: she has tried to dissuade her brother from taking unnecessary risks. Distend. Definition: to swell and become large, especially because of pressure from inside. Example: the balloon continued to distend as more air was pumped into it. Distinguish. Definition: to notice or understand the difference between two things. Example: he can easily distinguish between two similar paintings. Distort. Definition: to change the shape of something so that it looks strange or unnatural. Example: the funhouse mirrors have been designed to distort your reflection. Distract. Definition: to make someone stop giving their attention to something. Example: loud noises can be easily distract a person who is trying to concentrate. Distribute. Definition: to divide something among several or many people. Example: volunteers may help to distribute food those in need. Distrust. Definition: to not trust someone or something. Example: it was sad when friends started to distrust each other over misunderstandings. Disturb. Definition: to interrupt what someone is doing. Example: the loud music will be started to disturb her peaceful evening. Disunite. Definition: to cause people to disagree so much that they can no longer work together effectively. Example: political ideologies can be sometimes disunited communities. Dither. Definition: to be unable to make a decision about doing something. Example: she began to dither between the two equally options. Dive. Definition: the swim underwater, usually with breathing equipment. Example: the children excited to dive into the pool for the first time. Diversify. Definition: to start to produce a range of different types of products or services. Example: farmers try to diversify their crops to ensure better yield. Divert. Definition: to use something for a different purpose. Example: the authorities have decided to divert funds towards emergency relief efforts. Divest. Definition: to sell something, especially a business, part of a business. Example: The CEO has decided to divest some underperforming assets to cut losses. Divide. Definition. To separate into parts or groups. Example. The rooms have been divided into equal sections for the event. Dodge. Definition. To avoid something unpleasant. Example. He used to dodge the falling debris just in time. In next tutorial, I will bring you English words with meaning lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification and share my video among your friends. See you in future videos.